Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Today I have a nice Hobby Lobby Valentine haul to share with you. So let's go ahead and check out the goodies I was able to get at my Hobby Lobby. So now that Hobby Lobby is at 40% off, I went ahead and got some more things. The first cute thing I want to show you is this kissing booth. Look how cute it is. 25-cent kissing booth. So it's for wet kisses, Eskimo kisses, sloppy kisses. Love it. Look how cute that is. Love, love, love. I love furry babies. Now the regular price was $4.49, so it was 40% off of that. I got that one. I did haul some more googly eyes. Can't have enough in my stash. And I also hauled some Valentine twine, and it does come with the light pink, dark pink, and red. So I got more of that for my stash. And then I did also haul the washi tape here. So you do get those there. How pretty are those? Well, let me put it this way. So you get 5 different styles. So I got that one. And then I also hauled, I got 2 of them. So, and then I also got these stickers here, which is Happy Valentine's Day. I love my stickers. And then I also hauled this one here. I love this one because it's so pretty. Look at that. This is a 4-pack ribbon. Yeah, 4-pack ribbon. I hauled this before, but I wanted to make sure I had enough for my stash. So I got that one. And then I also got these monster stickers. Look at these cutie patooties. Alright, and the regular price was $1.99. So you already know they're 40% off. I got a pack of those. And then I also got some polymer clay chips. Look at that. I love the blue in there. And the pinks and reds. I got another pack of that. Check out this cutie patootie. And it lights up. The regular price for this was $7.99, but it was 40% off. But look how cute that is. Oh, God, I love it. Love, love, love. So I had to get that one. So the last thing I hauled were these bows. Look at that. You get the pink and red. And how pretty of a bowl is it? And they were $7.99, and of course 40% off. So I got 2. And these actually are really, really nice. Love, love, love. So that is basically my little Hobby Lobby haul I want to share with you. So make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what you're either looking for. What have you found that you really like? Me, I love everything. I do really love the little ceramics I have. And I love everything. But yeah, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.